Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing an interesting topic, the future of languages in the United States. As the world becomes more interconnected, languages are constantly evolving and shifting. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the number of Spanish speakers in the United States. With a growing Hispanic population, some experts believe that the Spanish language could potentially replace English in the next 40 years. This prediction is based on various factors such as demographics, immigration patterns, and cultural influence. Spanish is already the second most spoken language in the United States today. The Hispanic population is projected to continue growing, while the English-speaking population might plateau or even decline. Spanish is not only spoken by immigrants, it is also passed down through generations, making it more prevalent in everyday life. Popular culture, such as music, movies, and television shows, also contribute to the popularity of the Spanish language. The rise of Spanish-language media channels and the internet has provided more opportunities for people to learn and practice Spanish.